Hello students, I hope all of you are good, safe and healthy, and you all are putting a lot of efforts in your internship. Either you are working with a company or you are doing the MOOC. This video is about summer internship handbook. This handbook contains all the details, the links which from time to time I have been sharing with you on your UMS, my messages, right? And all other details. Still, if any point is not clear to you, all the details are already given in this video. All the options, option 1, option 2, option 3 also given in the document. What were the links of that? But most importantly, why I am making this video is that you are supposed to prepare the report. I repeat, yes, you are supposed to prepare the report. Either you are doing option 1, 2 or option 3. You are supposed to prepare a report and you are supposed to present that report at the time of your Viva. As already shared by the examination department lot back on the UMS, that what are the evaluation parameters. The evaluation parameters contain final internship report, which should have introduction, knowledge, report writing, and Viva when will be taken, oral presentation will be there. PPT you are supposed to prepare, obviously, because when we say that you are supposed to present, how you can present without PPT, right? So in this 40 marks all in all, PPT and the presentation which you will give on the day of Viva, and 60 marks are for your internship report which you will prepare. Now how you are supposed to prepare the report, different guidelines are given for option 1 and option 2. Same guidelines are there. Either you can make research or department based report. Research or department based report means, let's say I am working in a HR department, so whatever the HR activities which are being conducted in an organization, selection procedure, the recruitment or any another approval which an organization is taking, on the basis of that I can make my report and I can select an appropriate topic for that, for which I will do extensive research also, and I might submit my report to the organization also, right? But either you submit it to the organization or not, but you are supposed to submit it during your Viva, the soft copy of that on your UMS, right? So research based or department based or community development. Some of the research based or department based topics are also given. I am making a compressed folder of this, for which the link is given in the description of the video. You can download. I will show you what are all the things which will be there in that link very soon. So guidelines are simple, like the font of the file, the line spacing should be like this. First you should have the title page, also you should have that table of content also, what should it contains, title page, what is written in Nexture. We have made a rough title page. You have to follow that format. You can change your name and all that. Certificate you have to get it from your organization where you are doing internship. Declaration, acknowledgement, table of content, then list of tables, then symbols, then chapters. Now what should chapter contains? Chapters like introduction to organization, topic, introduction to topic and problem statement, right? State of art, the review of literature, research methodology, data analysis, summary, references, bibliography, which style, Harvard or APA you have to follow. For that also I have attached the files in this. If you are doing MOOC, then also you are required to prepare the file. All the things remain same. Only thing is the chapters will be different in case of option 1, 2, and in case of MOOC the different chapters will be there. In the report also you are supposed to have your certificate which you will get after the completion of your MOOC. Then you have to detail depth explain everything which you have learned in that, what assignments you had, what projects you made, what topics you have learned, what was the learning, and obviously in the Viva from your book, the report which you will prepare, the examiner can ask the questions. So these are the parameters which I have already shown to you. The link of the handbook, compressed handbook, is given in the description of the video. When you copy paste the link into URL, you'll get to open like this. This folder is having some of the things like summer training handbook, which I have already shown you. One sample report file, which I believe is one of the very good report file made by one of the student that we have attached. List of topics, like some of the topics which like marketing, finance, if you have want to know. Otherwise you can Google also what are the current kind of research topics which are going on. How to write down the references, Harvard style reference, APA style reference, APA reference guide, everything is available in this handbook. Whenever your Viva will be conducted, as told by the examination, that whenever they will schedule your Viva, they will tell you around week or 10 days before. Then you have to submit this file. This is the most appropriate time to start making this report file, because you are already doing your internship, you are comfortable now doing your work. Now it's time to start making your report. Let me clear one point. If you are working with a company or you are doing MOOC, you cannot make an excuse to the company or anyone that I have to make a report, so excuse me for some time or give me some time for making report. No, it is your academic task, right? Working in an organization is a practical task which you are learning in a day. You have to prepare the report, so whenever you get the time in the evening or on Sundays, or if your Saturday is off, then you can prepare, right? How many pages? There are nothing like that. Reasonable, all the points which are being explained in the handbook, if they are fulfilled, that is more than sufficient. Where you have to submit this report file is on the UMS only. They will tell you whenever your Viva will be scheduled, they will ask you to, department will ask you to upload your file and the certificate, right? So you can do it accordingly. That's all for now. For further issues, I will make another video. The link of this summer training handbook compressed folder is given in the description of the video. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Take care.